Hello everyone and welcome back again to our channel. My name is Anas, the market for you. So if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment, and if you are wondering why is that, because as I said, simply I'm working for you. And in this video I will show you how to use CJ Dropshipping for Shopify. And I do have some bonus tips for you, for example how to find trending products on CJ Dropshipping. Because what if the point if you know how to use CJ Dropshipping, however you don't know how to find the winning products on it? Because that's the key to success. The products makes a very big role in influencing your success rate and when it comes to dropshipping on Shopify. So as I said, in this video I will show you how to connect your CJ Dropshipping account to your Shopify store, as well as adding products to your Shopify store from CJ Dropshipping, and as I said, the bonus tips on how to find trending products on CJ Dropshipping. And if you are wondering why you should use CJ Dropshipping, that's because CJ Dropshipping is the best alternative when it comes to either AliExpress or Alibaba. And actually you can find any particular product that you did find on AliExpress or Alibaba, you can actually find a variant for that product on CJ Dropshipping. And the benefits of accessing it from CJ Dropshipping is the faster shipping time, because the products will be in two warehouses in China and in Turkey, as well as the US. So having dropshipping products in warehouses in the USA will have really fast shipping if you are selling to US customers. That's really obvious. And the second thing why you should use it instead of AliExpress is because it's easier to contact suppliers on CJ Dropshipping. You can actually do that on AliExpress as well. However, on AliExpress it takes really long time for suppliers to reply to your message. On CJ Dropshipping they reply in a couple of hours. So that's really good if you want to find a particular variant of a specific product. You can just contact the supplier and he can find the products for you. So without any more talking, let's just jump to it and show you how to use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify for dropshipping. As you can see, I'm accessing CJ Dropshipping right now. So the first thing after you did access the website is signing into your account. If you don't have an account, just click on register here and you register your account. Just to make it easier, I'm going to go for Gmail so I don't have to waste time in this video. Oops, it did open up on my other window. Give me a couple of seconds. Let's just okay, we are good to go. Right now I did access or sign in to CJ Dropshipping. Make sure you do this as well. So let's just close this. The next thing I'm going to do is connect my Shopify store to the CJ Dropshipping account. And to do that, the first thing you're going to do is head over to authorization right here at the top left corner and click on Shopify right here. If you are using WooCommerce or eBay or Etsy store or whatever your platform you're using, make sure to pick the platform from here. But in this video, we are going for Shopify. So click on Shopify and give it a couple of seconds and it will take you to this page. Let's just close this guy, Alex. He keeps buzzing up messages. So in here, you need to add your Shopify store. So let's just click on add store. And after that, let's just click on authorize and it will take us to the CJ Dropshipping app to install it on our Shopify store. So let's just click on add app. I'm using Safari browser. Let's just click on continue. And after that, click on install app. And after that, it will ask you, do you want to connect the Shopify store to the same account you did sign up to on CJ Dropshipping? Just click on agree to the store agreement and click on authorize. And here we go, it says authorization success. So right now we did connect our Shopify store to the CJ Dropshipping account. So before we add the product to our Shopify store from CJ Dropshipping, we need to do one last step, which is connecting the Shopify store to the CJ Dropshipping IPA account so we can handle the fulfillment of orders automatically. We don't have to do each step separately on both Shopify and CJ Dropshipping, because that's the source of the product obviously. So simply click on connect now, and after that, if you do have some products on your Shopify store, you should see them right here. And on this section right here, you should see the name of your Shopify store, because you can actually add multiple stores in here. So let's just click on sync and click on confirm and give it a couple of seconds and it will sync all the products in your Shopify store with the CJ Dropshipping account. So that way you don't have to do the fulfillment on both Shopify and CJ Dropshipping. And right now it did sync the Shopify store to the CJ Dropshipping account. And before I show you how to add products to your Shopify store from CJ Dropshipping, let me show you a bonus tip on how to find trending products from a hidden place on CJ Dropshipping, because as I said, the products plays a very big role in influencing your success rate. And finding trending products by the most selling ones, that means it's the the most selling ones in dropshipping. So people are selling those products a lot. That's why it's ranked by the trending products. So you can add them to your store, and if you have a really good store, really good creatives, and really good targeting, you can make a lot of sales as well. And to do that, simply open up a new tab and let's just type in CJ Dropshipping and frontf.com, add a / and type in view dash more a / again and 3, just like you see on the screen right now in front of me, and I will also put link for it in the description box. After that, simply hit enter and give it a couple of seconds and you will see this page right here. After that, it will show you this message. It says trending products. Simply click on it and it will open up a new tab in here. It will list only the winning products in each category. For example, if we scroll down, products that had to do with home, it will list them in here by the trending ones. For example, this one, which is the first one, is the highest selling products in this category. And just scroll down a little bit and you will see the category for pets, and it will list the products in here by the most selling ones. So the first one is obviously the most trending one and the one with the most sales when it comes to dropshipping, not the shopping website unlike AliExpress, because AliExpress is also used by shoppers, just like the potential customers that will buy your products from Shopify store. But in this case on CJ Dropshipping, this data is only based on dropshippers, and they have each category here. You can just keep scrolling like this and it will show you more categories and products that's trending in that particular category. And right now, let's just get back and actually find products from here and show you how to add them to your Shopify store. For example, let's just get back to pets in here. Let's just go for this particular product. And as I mentioned previously, if you want to contact the suppliers, you can just simply contact them by here and ask for a different variant or another product they are looking for, and they can do that for you as well. So in order to add this particular product to our Shopify store, click on list button right here and it will show you this page and the Shopify store that you did sync your account with. And in this case, this is just one. If you have multiple, you can select one of them from here, and in here you will select the ship from, which is the warehouse. If the product is available on US warehouse, you can click in here and it will show you other locations where the product is available at. In this case, this product is only available in China warehouse, so this is the only option that's available. And below it, you can select the product type. You can add even new category and add this particular product to it. And the vendor, make sure to pick the vendor actually, which is your Shopify store's name. If you pick some supplier from here, it will show you the supplier name on your Shopify store, and that's not really good. So make sure you pick your Shopify store, but it will be selected by default, I think, from here. And in this option here, if you want to change the price for all the variations in here, and it will show you some recommended prices in here, as you can see. However, there is a research you need to do in order to pick the right price for your product, and that will include spying on competitors, because you need to figure out what other competitors are selling the product for, so you don't have to overprice your products, and that will make customers prefer your competition, obviously. And if you are interested in how to spy on competitors, make sure to check out my channel. I did make that video with some really cool tricks and I think you might like it. And the last step in here, which is selecting the shipping method. So the shipping method, you might need to copy the link from here. For example, let's just open it in new tab, because we need to check out the shipping options that's available and each one and the price for us, so we can know what we are basically selecting from here, because obviously we will pay for the shipping as well. So let's just click on shipping method from here and it will show you the options for the shipping, each one and the time for it, as well as the price for it. So in order to ship this product to China using the packet ordinary, you will pay a $5 fee for the shipping and $0.50 for the service fee, and the delivery time will be between 7 and 15 days. If you want faster shipping, you can pick other options from here. For example, fast ordinary here, but the shipping will cost, I think, double the price. However, it will only be delivered in between 4 and 9 days, which is really good compared to a product coming from China, right? So in this case, I will go, for example, for this one. Let's just get back in here and select the fast ordinary, and after that it will show you the shipping cost right here and the estimated delivery time. And the last option you need to do is simply click on listed now. So let's just click on it. And I forgot one option. This one is not optional. You need to select a product type. Let's just add a new one, and let's just type in, for example, cats, and confirm, and let's just select it from here. And after that, let's just click on listed now. And I forgot one option as well, which is the price in here. So we need to pick the recommended, either the recommended price or, as I said, make sure to do research on your competitors, how much they are selling this particular product for. In this case, I'm just going to follow the recommended price, which is $16, and it will say listing in progress, and just give it a couple of seconds and you should see the product will be available on your store. As you can see, it says listed successfully and the product has been listed to your store successfully. And let's just click on view it in store to check it out and see if it's actually was listed or not. And here is, as you can see, the product is available on our store and it says active in here, and with all the description and pictures and so on. However, I would recommend you to remove all this and make your own description and the pictures as well. You can add more if you want, and the variations as well. So that's how you use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify for dropshipping. And as I said, if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment as well as messages on my Instagram. And if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done for this video. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.